This is Mamun Tayyab. I am a teacher of O and A levels accounting. I am teaching you right now the rules of debit and credit, application of rules of debit and credit. The rules are written here. Assets and expenses, when they increases, they should be posted on the debit side, and then when it decreases, they should be posted on the credit side. Liabilities, capital and revenue, when they increases, they are posted on the credit side, and when they decreases, they are posted on the debit side. Every transaction will have two effects, a debit effect and a credit effect. There will be movement in all these 5 head of accounts. All movements will be recorded by two notions, debit and credit. You cannot understand, or you should not understand, the meaning of debit and credit in context of a dictionary meaning. You should understand in context of accounting. Accounting में ये दो notions इस्तेमाल होते हैं to represent the activity of increase or decrease in assets, liabilities, capital expenses and revenue, right? तो ये ट्रांजेक्शन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ये हैंड आउट आपके पास डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक आ रहा है. टेक प्रिंट आउट ऑफ दिस हैंड आउट, कीप इट विद यू, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट बाय वाचिंग द वीडियो, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इसका पार्ट ए, बॉट मशीनरी ऑन क्रेडिट फ्रॉम डी सैक्स. मशीनरी बाय की है तो मशीनरी इज आर एसेट. एसेट्स व्हेन एवर दे इंक्रीज दे शुड बी पोस्टेड ऑन द डेबिट साइड. तो हमने मशीन को डेबिट किया एंड डी सैक्स लिमिटेड ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. ठीक है, दिस शुड बी अटेम्प्टेड, दिस क्वेश्चन शुड बी अटेम्प्टेड आफ्टर अटेम्प्टिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4 विच वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोज़. उनके लिंक्स ऑलरेडी मेरे यूट्यूब पे मौजूद है, मेरे चैनल पे. पहले आप वो सॉल्व कीजिएगा, देन मूव ऑन टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. The proprietor paid a creditor C. Jones from his private funds. Proprietor is the person who owns the business. And in the initial video when I discussed about capital, तो हमने डिस्कस किया था कि a person who is a natural human being, once he establish a business becomes a separate person, separate artificial distinctive person. ठीक है, वो पर्सन एक अलग होता है आर्टिफिशियल, और मैं एक अलग पर्सन हूँ. वो एक अलग एंटिटी है, मैं एक अलग इंडिविजुअल हूँ. तो सेपरेट एंटिटी कॉन्सेप्ट ये कहता है कि बिजनेस शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर पेइंग ऑल लायबिलिटीज़. बिजनेस की जिम्मेदारी है अपने एक्सपेंसेस को, अपनी लायबिलिटीज़ को पे करना, बिजनेस के ओनर की नहीं है. बट इन दिस ट्रांजेक्शन ये कह रहा है कि बिजनेस लायबिलिटी इज सेटल्ड बाय ओनर. दिस मीन्स दैट बिजनेस हैज़ invested, the person has invested further amount in the business by paying off the liability of the business. Business may not have sufficient funds to pay off liability. तो business के owner ने अपने private pocket से ये liability business की pay कर दी. So the transaction will be recorded as liability debited. C. Jones liability है, C. Jones debit हो जाएगा, and capital will be credited. C. Jones debit and capital credit. Transaction C. A debtor N. Fox paid us in cash. Debtor means a person from whom we have to receive money. He has paid us. Debtor is our asset. When he is paying us cash, cash is increasing, cash debit, but the debtor is decreasing. So N. Fox will be credited because my asset is now decreasing because he is paying me the amount. Repaid part of loan from E. Extras by check. Repaid part of loan. I have taken a loan initially from P. Extras and now I am paying it back. If I am paying it back, my liability is decreasing. If my liability is decreasing, P. Extras Limited is my liability. And I am paying through check, so my bank balance is also decreasing. रिटर्न सम ऑफ द मशीनरी टू डी सैक्स लिमिटेड. मशीनरी हमने रिटर्न कर दी. मशीनरी हमारा एसेट है, एसेट रिटर्न कर दिया तो हमारा एसेट डिक्रीज हो गया. तो डिक्रीज इन एसेट इज क्रेडिटेड, तो मशीन क्रेडिट हो गया. एंड वी आर रिटर्निंग इट टू डी सैक्स बिकॉज वी हैव बॉट फ्रॉम डी सैक्स. तो डी सैक्स वाज आवर लायबिलिटी एंड नाउ इट इज डिक्रीजिंग. डिक्रीज इन लायबिलिटी इज डेबिटेड. डी सैक्स Limited. A debtor N line pays us by check A debtor is paying us by check. Our bank balance is increasing. Bank account debit, and the debtor's name is N Lion. He was my debtor, now he is no more my debtor. Debtor means the person from whom I have to receive money. So my liability is decreasing, decreasing liability is credited. Bought a van, paying by cash. Van खरीदी है, van asset है, asset increase होगा तो debit होगा. So we will post it on the debit side, van debit and cash credit. This was a simple question number 1. This I will recommend you to solve after solving question number 3 and 4, because in 3 and 4 you will understand how this debit and credit is actually being implemented in the form of a T account, and then you will be easily doing question number 1 and 2. So this is the end of this handout, the name of which is double entry system, movement of assets, liabilities and capital. This handout is available in the description of all these 3 videos which we have prepared. For this handout, we have solved question number 1, question number 3 and question number 4 in the 3 videos, in the series of 3 videos. Now what you do is you solve this handout in your registers and WhatsApp me the images so that I can check and give you the feedback. Thank you very much.